Hey guys, this is Reviews and More, back with another quick review. This is on the Parkside brand engraver. This is from Lidl, so it's that grocery store with that amazing middle aisle that sells everything at some point during the year, and right now they're doing some stuff with arts and crafts, including this engraver. It is not a rotary engraver, this is a vibrational engraver, so basically it vibrates at a very, very high rate and engraves into a multitude of surfaces. It comes with 4 little stencils, which I find to be fairly useless, to be perfectly honest, but it's still good for my purposes, which is to basically label items. So like put an identification number on them that can't be taken off, which is kind of a good use. And there you see the carbide tip, and that's what comes with it. You can exchange them and rotate them out, but again, it's not a rotary or Dremel style engraver, so it's fairly simple. I like the product for what I'm going to use it for, but as far as arts and crafts go, I think it's pretty limited in application. It might just be kind of fun to mess around with. Its greatest versatility is with wood, and I will also point this out, it is quite loud, and right now you are going to hear a quick sound test just so you know just what you're dealing with as far as the volume. And to spare your eardrums, that is the only volume test we're actually going to do. So anytime you see this video playing, you will basically not have to worry about hearing that. But it only gets louder depending on the surface you're working with. And to that end, to make life a little easier on you watching this, the plastic test starts at 1 minute and 20 seconds. The ceramic test at 2 minutes and 20 seconds, and that's on a little coffee mug. The metal test on basically a double-walled, vacuum-sealed Yeti style mug starts at 3 minutes and 25, and finally I do a wood test that starts at 420, which is the longest test because it's the most versatile there. Plastic works fine, but the wood I think is probably where this item shines the most. I wouldn't recommend it for metal outside of maybe labeling something, if you got to label something that's made of metal, and the same would probably go for anything ceramic. And plastic, it looks okay, but beyond just making little doodles and maybe following the stencils, I wouldn't recommend it too much. Now, spare y'all's my voice. I've told you the times, the timestamps, and everything else, so now you can listen to some elevator music rather than hearing me basically explain this, and you can stop on the results, and I have little quick stills of the results of what I got out of it. Again, I'm not a professional with this by any means, and a more practiced artist could probably do more, but for my purposes, for basically labeling and identifying electronics, this works out just fine for me. So thank you and have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you found the video helpful. Have a good one.